Well, the holiday season's a special time of year, right? But it can also be full of stress and challenges for people and families living with substance use. Joining me now is Brian Corson, the founder and CEO of MVP Recovery. Brian, thank you as always for joining us.
Keith, thanks for having me.
Of course, first and foremost, why are your services in particular especially important this time of year?
Well, when we look for anyone that's experiencing a substance use or mental health challenge, it can increase during the holiday season. The holiday season can be stressful. It can be lonely for someone that is going through that. And one of the things that we want to emphasize to anybody out there that's going through that is they're not alone. There is support, there is services, and they can reach out to us 24 hours, 7 days a week at 855-MVP-2410 to be connected with a certified recovery specialist, somebody who has that lived experience that has gone through what they're going through and is now in recovery. They can reach their hand out and help them on their journey.
That's an incredible resource right there. Next month you're having your 12th annual Hope for the Holidays celebration. What can you tell us about the event?
Yeah, so we can't believe that this is the 12th year. My wife, Chrissy Corson, started this back in 2014, and one of the goals was, in recovery, a core component is service and giving back to one's community. So we started this initiative for our MVP community to give back to the community as a whole and to help those less fortunate and those that are experiencing circumstances that they had experienced prior to coming in to the MVP program. And what that has evolved into is an initiative that has grown immensely. And this year, as we're talking in 2025, after the government shutdown, after the budget impasse here in Pennsylvania, there's a lot of strained resources and services for those with behavioral health and for those that are unhoused. And the Hope for the Holidays event, we gathered donations and we put together care packages of winter socks and hats and scarves and snacks and coats. And we go around the Philadelphia region and we distribute them to individuals that are having a hard time this holiday season. And each year we distribute 400 to 500 of these care packages. But wow, in addition, we're bringing hope. Because again, our certified recovery specialists are with us and we're engaging with individuals and we're asking them, are you looking for services? Are you interested in treatment? Can we provide support in addition to handing out these care packages?
Yeah, spreading hope, but also creating a community, it sounds like, too. For anybody who's watching this, who's struggling, or a family member of someone who's struggling, what's your message to them? What can they do?
We want to let everybody know, again, is emphasizing that you're not alone. There are individuals that have been where you're at, have gone through what you're going through, and they're here to help you. And I can't emphasize enough that anyone that is feeling down this holiday season and want to talk to someone or wants to be connected to resources can reach out to MVP 24/7 at 855-MVP-2410, because we want you to know that even though you feel alone, you're not alone. There are people here to help you.
Yeah, that's the message. Brian Corson, the founder and CEO of MVP Recovery. Thank you so much again for speaking with us this morning. Happy holidays. Good luck with the event, too.
Keith, thank you so much. You have a great holiday.
Of course, you too. For more information about MVP Recovery and their 12th annual Hope for the Holidays celebration, December 6th, tap the NBC 10 app or head to NBC10.com/findItOn10.